and a chance to be alone. Agoy! Help me make it through the night. Ate Linda naman, huwag naman ganyan. Ay, umaga lang yan. Sunod! Ate Max! Mag-request ka na, Ate Max. Malapit na akong mag-end. Thank you. Wala pang ilamas siya, walang makeup yan. I don't care what's right or wrong. I won't try to understand. Bay na God, hindi pa ako nagpapapay. Let today but stay tomorrow. Hindi ko pa nga nakakatay request mo eh. Lord, tonight I need a friend. Thank you, Ate Linda. Yesterday is dead and gone, and tomorrow out of sight, and a chance to be alone. Help me make it through the night, and a chance to be alone. Help me make it through the night. Yan. Dapat lang talaga maging happy lang tayo. Hindi halatang menopause peace ate. Hindi, Ate Bunso. Mamaya ikwento ko sa iyo. Ate Bunso, hindi pa. Hindi pa, ate. Hindi pa. Ate Bunso, mamaya ikukwento ko sa iyo. Hindi pa ako pa. Still, tuloy mo, itutuloy ko talaga ang kanta. Ang tanong, ano ang kanta? Nawala ako. Ay, nawala ako tuloy. Kaya mag-rock naman tayo. Kasi ayun yung mag-request. Yeah. Mag-request naman kayo kasi para ma-inspired naman ako, guys. Binilin mo pa. Anong binilin mo pa?
Treat yourself good. Swiss, Swiss.
Ano, totoo yan? Nabugaw talaga? As in? Para kay Kabutoy at kay Kuya Kelmon. Hindi pa ako menopause, oy. I saw the morning, it was shot up by a gun. Hit the skin, so you walk and no one cried. I saw a mother, she was praying for his son. Bring him back, let him alive, don't let him die. Do you ever ask yourself, there's a heaven and the sky, why we can't get right? 'Cause we all live under the same sun. We all walk under the same moon, yeah. Then why come leave us one? I saw the evening, hitting shadows one by one. Watch the lamb lay down to the sun goodbye. I saw the children of the sun, how they wait, how they play, and how